Hey there, traders. It's Taylor with Top Pick Trading back again. I want to show you guys a potential live setup. You can see we've got this range here. We had a downtrend this morning, but we really folded over into this range now. And then we had this really strong micro uptrend that just had a break and a second entry long. However, the second entry long was a doji and an inside bar, so I'm looking for a higher low, and it looks like a triple test also may be forming. You can see we've tested this level. This will be the third time. And it's right at the EMA. We closed basically on the EMA, so let's see if we can get a good signal bar here. Just expecting at least a retest on this micro uptrend high. You can see those three tests there. There was a second entry, and then this would also be a higher low too, like I mentioned. Here we go. We do create a new low for the signal bar, and it's pushing up fairly strongly. Good, and we get one tick off a perfect bar, and we're in this trade. Going for 8. Move my stop loss here. I'm going for 8 based on ATR is around 10, so I feel comfortable with that, and it would get us out still right before the highs. So looks like it touched our order. Let's see, we probably need to push through that. There we go. We don't push through, but we do get filled. And now we push through that, and I put my runner stop loss to break even. It's going to have to push through this resistance here and really create a breakout, so I'm not all that confident in it, but this was a fairly strong micro move up, so I am going to trail this, but I do think it's going to try to make a second leg here, but it's got to really push this through this resistance like I mentioned. So I'll trail that, lock some in, and let's see where this puts the measure move. And we're pretty close. I do want to get out maybe right before it, so we'll move it there, and let's see. Pushing up pretty strongly now. May race right to it. We are getting far from the EMA though, so this may be a slow crawl. Let's see. It went pretty quick now. You can see this downtrend here. Looked like a spiking channel. Looks like it's definitely played out. So it was very bearish this morning, spending almost the entire time under the EMA. So you have to know that this has turned into a range now to be able to consider longs. It looks like they're going to get us here. It's really struggling right at that resistance level. Well, finished on its high now, so maybe we survived this. Move that down one tick. That'll give us 11 points, I believe. Yep. Be a nice little runner. We'll trail this one too. And like I said, this is truly trading the runners experiencing a breakout right now, so it is risky. That's why I'm trailing this tight, because there is a good chance we come back into this range, at least to the EMA. I really like the way this trade looked. I know we're in the middle of that range, but getting a triple test right there after that strong micro move up and a failed breakout. I mean, ranges don't last forever, so if there's other context at play, you can still pull the trigger. And I think we had enough contextual aspects in our favor to do that. I'll trail this one again. We've locked in majority of this runner now, so that's good. Really like to get the full amount here, but may not. So I'll just keep on trailing. And actually, I'm going to give this one tick of extra room. A lot of times they'll tick one below, rope in the shorts, and then push it back higher. So I'll give it just that one extra tick of space. It's really starting to stall here. We're really far from the EMA, so it looks like we probably won't get the full amount. But we did get a fair amount from it, so I'll be happy with this if it does turn down here. Let's see, it may happen right here. Oop, yep, and they do get us there, but we locked in most of that. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. We had a downtrend, folded over to a range. We took a triple test, high or low, with a retest of the highs expected. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks.